Imagine this. Your flight leaves in 2 hours. You're stuck in traffic, your phone is dead, and you don't know how to tell the taxi driver to hurry up. Then, at the airport, they tell you your bag is too heavy. What do you do? In this video, I'll give you the exact phrases that will save your trip from turning into a disaster.
Part 1. The taxi scene.
Taxi! Taxi! Taxi!
Hi, are you free? I really need to get to the airport as soon as possible. I'm a bit pressed for time.
Sure, hop in. Which terminal are you going to?
Terminal 3, please. Do you think we can make it in 30 minutes? The traffic looks a bit heavy.
I'll take a shortcut. We should be there on time.
That's a relief. By the way, do you accept credit cards? I realize I don't have enough cash on me.
No worries, I have a card machine.
Part 2. At the airport counter. Good morning. Can I have your passport and booking confirmation, please?
Yes, here they are. I have a reservation under the name David John.
Thank you. Please place your suitcase on the scale. Oh, I'm sorry, sir. Your bag is 4 kilograms over the limit.
Oh no, this is exactly what I was worried about. Think, David, think. Is it that much? Is there any chance I could shuffle some things around? I can move some heavy clothes to my carry-on bag.
You can try, but please be quick. There's a line behind you.
I'll be fast. Also, while I'm doing that, could I possibly switch to an aisle seat? I'd prefer not to be in the middle for a long flight.
Let me check. Lucky you, there's one aisle seat left in row 25. Part 3. Finding space.
Finally, I'm on the plane. Now I just need to put this bag somewhere and relax. Excuse me, I'm in seat 25A, but the space above my seat is completely full. Where can I stow my carry-on?
Let's see. We have some space in the overhead bin a few rows back. I can help you with that.
Thank you so much. I was worried I'd have to keep it under my feet.
No problem at all. Please fasten your seatbelt. We are preparing to take off. Vocabulary and explanation. Pressed for time. This expression is used when you are in a big hurry and you don't have enough time to finish what you are doing or to reach a destination calmly. Examples: I can't talk now. I'm pressed for time because my meeting starts in 5 minutes. The taxi driver drove fast because he knew I was pressed for time to catch my flight.
I promise. I'm just really pressed for time, but I can't thank you enough for coming all the way out here. And I will call you tomorrow.
We are pressed for time, but shots of you two in the water would be pretty great.
I know you're pressed for time, so I arranged just a small tasting session.
Well, we're a little pressed for time, so
I'll leave you guys alone.
I'm really pressed for time.
We're a little pressed for time.
We are a little pressed for time.
Listen, I'm sincerely pressed for time right now, so I'm gonna have to.
I'm here. I know that you're pressed for time and everything, but, I was wondering, maybe you'd be interested in some Latin exercise.
Hop in. A friendly and informal way to tell someone to get into a car or a small vehicle. Examples: the taxi is here. Hop in. Hop in. I'll give you a lift to the station.
Hop in! Peace this. We need to move. Let's go.
Hey, hop in.
Hop in. We're headed to the same place.
Did Jack invite you out here?
Hop in, son. Which way you going? Same way you are. Hop in. Hey, wait a minute. What's the idea? You're Bob Corey, aren't you? Yeah, that's right. Hop in. Come on.
JK, LOL, HI, hop in. It's just hop in. We're there in no time.
Doesn't my little bunny just hop in the back seat?
Hop in.
Sure, hop in.
Make it to succeed in reaching a place or attending an event on time, especially when there is a risk of being late or facing difficulties like traffic. Examples: the traffic was terrible, but we managed to make it to the airport just before the gate closed. I'm sorry, I have too much work today. I don't think I can make it to your party.
Make it fast. Make it fast.
We'll never make it, Harry.
We'll make it. We'll make it. We're almost at the plane.
Make it through today. Make it through tomorrow. Make it through the day after that.
Think you'll make it?
I'll make it.
Shuffle things around. To move objects into different positions or change the order of things to make them fit better or to solve a problem. In travel, it often means moving items between bags to balance the weight. In examples, my suitcase was too heavy, so I had to shuffle things around and put my shoes in my backpack. I need to shuffle my schedule around to find time for our meeting tomorrow.
Shuffle things around a bit.
I'm in sales, so I can shuffle things around.
Over the limit. It means to go past a maximum number, a rule, or a safe level. You use it when something is too much or more than what is allowed. Travel example: your bag is 30 kilograms, but the rule is 20 kilograms, so you are over the limit. Behavior example: I can accept a joke, but being rude to my family is over the limit.
She was only just over the limit.
Yeah, but this.
Cool down.
You are like 20 miles over the
please.
limit.
After admitting to being almost 3 times over the limit, today a judge at Stockport Magistrates Court banned Wayne Rooney for 24 months. The trailer's too long. You're over the...
And I drove you to the hospital 4 times over the limit, and I ended up rolling the car and almost severing my femoral artery.
I've been cutting classes and I'm way over the limit.
It's over the limit.
Take off. This phrase has 2 common meanings. The first one is for travel, when an airplane leaves the ground and goes up into the air. The second one is for your body, when you remove a piece of clothing or an item like shoes or a watch. Examples: look out the window. The plane is moving fast and it is about to take off. The weather is beautiful today, so you can take off your heavy sweater.
Take off! Immediately! Take off! All right, take off! Take off!
Ready for takeoff.
Take off!
Take off your headphones now!
Take off that beret.
Take off your headphones! Sup, Chica?
Take off your gloves. Man, you hear? Take off your gloves.
Stop. Take off your cape.
What?
Take off your uniform.
Bob, if you want to take off your hat, we're gonna go. Take off your hat.
Yeah, zip.
Listen and answer. Now for the best part. Listen and answer. This exercise is amazing because it helps you think in English and move these words into your long-term memory. I want you to challenge yourself. Listen to my questions and try to answer without looking at the screen. I will ask a question, and then I want you to pause the video. Take your time to answer out loud, and then press play to see if you are right. Are you ready? Let's start.
Hi, are you free? I really need to get to the airport as soon as possible. I'm a bit pressed for time.
David is in a big hurry to get to the airport. What phrase did he use to tell the driver he has very little time?
He said, I'm a bit pressed for time.
When David first meets the driver, what is a friendly, informal way the driver could say, "Get inside the car"?
The driver can say, hop in.
After David is sitting in his seat and the plane starts moving fast to fly into the sky, what do we call this action?
The plane is about to take off.
David is worried because he is pressed for time. He wants to know if he will reach the airport before his flight leaves. What is the common phrase he uses to ask, "Will I arrive on time?"
Will I make it, or did I make it? Good job! I'm really proud of you for making it to the end of this challenge. Reaching this level of understanding with these phrases is a big win. I want to remind you that this is not the end of the process. At this stage in your English journey, the secret to moving from knowing a word to using it naturally is immersion.
I highly encourage you to repeat this video again and again. Let the dialogue sink in, because honestly, practice is the key. The more you revisit these examples, the more you'll find yourself using them without even thinking. I'd love to hear from you. How many questions did you manage to answer correctly? Drop a comment below and let me know.